Alright guys, so the first thing I want to do in this lab is verify we have IP connectivity. So let's go to R1 and let's verify we can ping R2. Okay, we can. So now the next thing we want to do is actually configure EIGRP on both routers to get the connection up first. So we're going to go into configuration mode. Now we're going to go into EIGRP. We're going to name it 100. We're going to give it a network, and we're going to just do the 0 network. That way it covers everything. Okay, we're going to get out of here now, and we're going to do the same thing on the next router. Next, we're going to go into EIGRP config. We have to give it the same autonomous system number. We'll do network, do 00, and we should get an adjacency. There it goes. So it's up now. The next step we're going to do is we're going to get into authentication. So we can see our neighbors are up. So let's just verify our neighbors now. We can use the show command of show IP EIGRP neighbors. And you can see our neighbor is up 22 seconds. We can run this other command as well. Topology shows which routes we have. You can see we have the 10 network and the 1 network, and let's just show IP route, and you can see, let's go back and add no auto summary that we can actually see our complete networks. All right, I'm going to do the same thing on the other router. So now when I do my show IP route, I should see the 10.20 network and the 10.10 network on each side. There we go. Now I see the 10.10 and the 10.20. Let's verify on this router as well. Cool. So now we can start on the authentication process. Alright guys, so the next thing we want to do is create our keychain. So let's go into configuration mode, and we're going to say keychain, and then we need to give it a name. Next we need to set a key. We're going to do 1 2 3. Then we need to do a key string, which is our password. Okay, we're gonna exit. Now let's go do the same thing on router 2. All right, we're gonna go into configuration mode. We're gonna say a keychain. All right, we're gonna say our key is 1 2 3, and the key string Cisco. Hit exit, and now let's go back to router 1. We have the keys created. Let's just verify. We can use the command show keychain. So you can see right here we have a keychain, and the next step is to put the authentication on our interfaces that are connected to each other. So that'll be FA00 on each router. So let's do that. Now I will copy and paste this command, then I'll explain it. So IP authentication mode for EIGRP 100, that's our autonomous system number. We're going to use MD5 hash. So let's hit enter. And you can see our neighborship just went down. The next command we need to put is IP authentication keychain for EIGRP 100. It is MYCHAIN, which you can see up here. Actually, this is our chain. This is our information on the inside. Let's hit enter. So now let's go put the same thing on router 2. Now this is our last command, and our authentication should come up. There we go. And adjacency is back up. So let's just verify. We're going to do show IP EIGRP neighbors. And you can see our neighbors are back up. It's been 20 seconds. And let me show you one more thing on the packet capture here. So we're going to start a capture. Now, if we go and look inside of that packet where it says Cisco EIGRP, you can see right here our autonomous system number. We have authentication, which is MD5. You can see MD5 here. You can also see our key string, but the password is encrypted. So there you go, guys. That's how you configure EIGRP with authentication. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.